What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is the video that everybody has been asking about and waiting for. It is the completed refurb project we've just finished on. We've had the valuation round, we know what we're going to be able to sell it for. And so what we're going to do is we're just stopping off at Starbucks at the minute, but then we are going to head over to the house and show you guys around. Also, if you stay till the end of the video, what I'm going to do is break down the numbers so that we know, so you guys can know what we bought it for, how much the refurb costs, and what we're going to be able to sell it for, and therefore giving us our profit. So stay till the end for that part of the video. So we've just got to the house and we are going to now take a look around and show you guys.
Excited.
Wait. Here we go. Right, guys, so this is the house, as you can see. I don't know if you remember it, so what I'm going to do is show you some videos as we're going around of what it used to be like, as well as what it's like now. So, as you can probably see, we have plastered all the way up through this hallway. We were debating whether to do that or not, but we've decided, you know what, as it's the first thing that people will see when they walk through the door, let's make it really, really nice. So we've plastered this, painted it a really nice colour. Come on through, and this you'll be able to see is the main living space, the lounge area. Again, it actually looks really nice. You were saying, Jess, that it looks a lot bigger than when we first came here. So that's nice. We've replaced the fire surround, that has just gone in. So we've just popped that in there as a little feature, because the old one, was there an old one? Oh, it was an old fireplace that just looks really naff. Internal doors have all been replaced with 6-panel doors and a nice chrome handle. Just again, it just feels really nice, and it's not that expensive, but it just makes the house feel a little bit nicer. This is the brand new kitchen, Howden's kitchen, that we've used. Yep, so the kitchen is brand new, that's just been put in. Yeah, it's all done. Downstairs we've got our downstairs toilet, if you want to just go through there. And yeah, that is just the downstairs toilet. When we replaced the bathroom upstairs, there was actually a leak that came down, so we'd already plastered and painted in there. But there was a leak that came through, and it just meant that the whole roof was damp, so we had to sort that all out, replaster it, repaint it. So it's a bit of a nightmare, but that's what happens, isn't it? So let's just go upstairs and I'll take you around the upstairs area. So this is the first bedroom. As you can see throughout the whole house, like we said, we have painted it, walls, ceiling. We've done a nice simple white, and then we've filled the whole house with grey carpets, apart from the laminate in the kitchen. And also the laminate that's in the bathroom. The reason why we haven't done any kind of feature walls or anything like that is because really, if I did that, it would be to my taste, and I don't know if the person moving in wants it to be to my taste. So we've left it almost like a blank canvas, so that when people move in, they could start to see and picture what they would do to it and how they'd make it their own. So we just kind of kept it a very blank canvas for now. So do you want to come on through? And we can see, just show you bedroom number 2 and 3. So this is the second bedroom. We had some damp problems here, where there was quite a lot of damp running along underneath the windowsill, but that was because the owner had basically piled high clothes and cupboards and all sorts just pressed up against the wall. So it wasn't actually a problem, there wasn't a real damp problem, it was more just that the owner didn't let any kind of airflow get to it, so that was an easy fix. But yeah, this is the second room, and then finally the small box room. So this one, like I said, it's exactly the same as the others. Carpets, painted. We got rid of the Ben 10 lampshade, unfortunately. Some people did actually comment on that and message me about that, but we did get rid of it. You'll be glad to know. And then finally, the bathroom. So as you can see, we've fitted it with a brand new bathroom suite. So we've got a new bath, we've got a new basin, and we've got a new toilet as well. We are just about to fit a new electrical shower in, but that'll be in the next couple of days, and it's just an extra little thing. But yeah, it's all pretty much done then. Okay guys, so that is it. That's the whole house. We've completely finished now, and like I said, we've had the valuation round from the estate agent, so we know what we're going to be able to sell it for. So I just thought I'd quickly run you through the numbers so that you can get the final definitive figures on this property, so that you can see exactly what we've done, how much we bought it for, and all that kind of thing. So starting with, how much did we buy this for? So we bought this for £123,000. Okay, the property itself we bought for £123,000. We actually paid the estate agent a fee to basically give it to us off market, which was great. So we paid them a particular fee. We also paid all the other fees as well, which meant that overall, to purchase this property, including all the fees, we spent £130,000. We then decided to do the refurb. I predicted it to be about £15,000, and then, like I said, the builders came in and it came in a lot less than we thought. We actually were able to do the refurb for £11,000. And like I said, we've had the valuation round as well. And I can reveal that they have decided that the property is worth, and we will be able to sell the property for £180,000. Hopefully we'll be able to get a little bit more, but £180,000 is what they've said they'll be able to get for it. So as you can see from that, so we've got £130,000 to buy it, £11,000 to refurb the property, so we're in £141,000 all in, which means that gives us a £39,000 profit, which to me isn't too bad. That's not too bad. It's been delayed. It's been the refurb's taken a lot longer than we had hoped. A lot of people have commented on the fact that in my previous video I said it would be a lot less time than it has been, but with COVID, with everything that's going on, there was just quite a lot of delays, and maybe I'll cover that in a later video, a video where I can talk you through, you know, the ups, the downs, what we did, more specifics around how we refurbed it, how we dealt with the builders, loads of things like that. There's loads of videos I could do on this, but I'm going to end it for now. I hope you found the video helpful. I hope it's been interesting to finally see an update on the property that we've just finished on. Yeah, I'm really excited. I hope you guys found it helpful. Make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss a single upload. Also, make sure that you comment any questions that you have about the house down below. I respond to every single comment. Honestly, every single one. I just spend time replying to everybody so that we can chat and all that stuff in the comment section. So if you have any questions, if you want to talk, pop that in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.